If you want to change the theme or customize your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Photos app on your iPhone and select a photo which you want to set as your iPhone's wallpaper. For example, I will select this photo, then tap on Share, and from here just select Use as Wallpaper. And once you do that, you will be able to customize the lock screen of your iPhone. And from here you can pinch out this wallpaper and you can zoom into this wallpaper or zoom out, just like that. And you can also increase or decrease the size of the clock on the lock screen, just like that. And after that you can tap on the clock, and from here you can increase or decrease the thickness of the font. And also you can change the font style. But if you change the font style, you will not be able to stretch the clock. So I recommend you select the original font style if you want to stretch the clock on the lock screen. And also from here you can set a color for the clock. You can select the default option or you can select a color from here. And also you can change the transparency of the clock from here. If you select solid, you will set a solid color, but if you select gloss, you will enable the liquid glass style or the transparency effect. Now after you do that, from here you will be able to apply the live effect on the lock screen, just like that. You can enable or disable this feature. And also if you tap on the three dots over here, you can apply a depth effect to the wallpaper, just like that. Now after you're done customizing the lock screen, just tap on Add. And from here it will ask you if you want to pair this wallpaper to your home screen or you can customize the home screen separately. I will select Customize Home Screen. And from here you can either keep the photo which you have set on the lock screen. You can blur it from here, just like that. And also you can set a solid color or a gradient. And finally you have the option of photo. And if you select photo, you will be able to set a separate photo on the home screen. For example, I will select this photo from the Photos app. And if you swipe to the right or the left side, you will be able to apply filters to the home screen photo. For example, I will select this one. After you select your filter, you can customize the color of the filter from here, just like that. And once you're done customizing your home screen, then tap on Done. Select Done. And if you go to the home screen, as you can see, we have set this wallpaper on the lock screen. And this is the wallpaper for the home screen. Now, if you want to customize the icons on your home screen, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, then tap on Edit. From here, just tap on Customize, and over here you will be able to customize the icons on your home screen. As you can see, it is currently on the default option, but you can select Dark, and if you select Dark, you will enable the dark version of the icons. And also you have the option of Clear, and if you select Clear, you will set the liquid glass version of the icons. And as you can see, there is the light mode option of the liquid glass icons, and also you have the option of dark. Now finally after that, you have the option of tinted. If you select tinted, you will be able to apply a color and a tint to the liquid glass app icons. Or you can tap on the eyedropper tool and you will be able to select a color from your wallpaper, just like that. And from here you can increase or decrease the intensity of the tint, just like that. And once you're satisfied with your icon styles, just tap on anywhere on the screen to save, just like that. And this is how you can customize and change the theme of the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.